Okay, this is just a quick video to show you how to change your bulbs. This is my girlfriend's Sunvision Pro 24S commercial bed. Runs on 220. Right now it has some old, let's see, what are these? Velocity Diamond Sun S bulbs by Wolf System. They have about 2,300 hours on these bulbs. This is the bed. As you can see, a couple of these are burnt out. So I'll be pulling these all out, replacing them with they are the Sunmaster 120R bulbs. They should be here sometime today. Just getting this thing all apart and cleaned up. In order to slide out your glass, your plexi right here. Here's my plexi. You just have to pull this front lip. It just pulls right. You just pull it right back with your fingers. It's just rubber. And then, you know, you see the groove, it just slides in there. Just run it right back in when you're done. It's a little tricky in the back there to get it in. Just take your time. Pops right in. Same thing with the top. This front edge right here. You just, with your fingers, just lift this up. And it pops right out. But again, this is a Sunvision Pro 24S 24 bulb bed. Gonna do a lamp change and a starter change and a rebuild on the glass. I'm gonna buff the glass. Here's the starters that I had bought. These are what I'll be installing. They are Novotan 70 to 100 watt starter. Pop that thing in there, and there's the old ones right there. All you do to take them out is just push and turn. They come right out. See, this is the old one. They're made by Philips. Here's the replacement that I had bought. About the same size. Look pretty much identical, honestly. One just has a clear case, clear blue. But that's the bed. Look for my other video of the bed with the new bulbs installed.